Hey guys, thanks for watching this week's Perler BEAD giveaway. This one has been requested many times, so I finally caved in and made it for you. Here is Nyan Cat. It's kind of big, a lot bigger than what I usually do, but it is definitely worth it. I'm super happy with how it turned out, so whoever wins this, I hope you like it. If you would like a chance of winning it, all you have to do is one of two things. First off, give the video a thumbs up. If you click that like button, it lets me know that you enjoy watching these Perler BEAD giveaways, and it encourages me to make more. And the second thing you have to do is leave a comment. Your comment is your entry, but you're not limited to just one comment, so feel free to leave as many comments as you like, because the more comments you leave, the higher chance you have of winning. If your name is on the screen right now, congratulations, you are the winner of last week's Mario Mushroom. I will send you YouTube mail very soon, we'll get some details and I'll post it out to you, so congrats once again. And as always, a quick reminder that I do these Perler BEAD giveaways every single Tuesday, so if you subscribe to my channel, each time I upload a new video you'll be notified right away and you can start leaving comments towards your entries. So thank you for watching as always. Here's one last look at Nyan Cat. Good luck, have fun.